Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make news clips with Revid.ai. So to create news clips using Revid.ai, follow these steps to leverage its AI power features effectively. So number one, you will just getting started with Revid.ai, sign up and login, and you will just know this is the interface of video creation tools. So you can just select the this article to video. I will already selected. So now you can just choose your content. You can generate script from any text or URL. This feature allows you to input your news article or topics directly into the platform, which will help in creating a structured script for your video. So I will be just browse for some international the news. So I will just tab on this article, and what gonna do, you will just click on it and just copy the URL, and I will just go back and just paste it here as simple. And what gonna do, you will just a little bit scroll down. So from here you will just some add some options like customize options. You will just choose a media type, choose your screen ratio. I will already selected 9 by 16. And if you are prevent content summarization, you will just turn it on if you want to. It is optional. So if you import medias like news and another in your desktop, so you will, the next step is you will see there's a select voice or record yourself. You can also record your own voice, and you will just also generate a AI voice. So it is if you want to male voice, you will just select this Brian. And if you want to just select the, if you want to female voice, you will just tab on this Jessica. So what's the next step? The final step is you will just uh, create your custom voice, and the next you will also add on the background audio, generate music. You will just select it from here. You can also upload your own custom audio. So but right now I will unavailable for this file and URLs. So you will just tab on it. When I just tab on it, and let's see, it will preparing everything for me. So here you will see it will generating for me, and building for 17 to 20 seconds. We can wait for it, and after next when it goes to reach 200, and the result will show it. So that's it. So we can wait for it. So here is not enough credits in my account, and it will say that if you want to create this article into video, so you will just tap to upgrade now. So from here you will just purchase the plan of monthly or annually. So if you just buy it, then you will just get your full video editor access. And here are the some features when you after purchasing it. So that's it, you will just purchase the plan, and simply I will just show you the steps how to make news clips with Revid.ai. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.